To add Apple Pay to your Presto app, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Presto app installed. Open the Presto app and navigate to the Settings or Wallet section, where you will find the option to add a payment method. Select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method and you will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once authenticated, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay with your Presto card. You will then be required to add your Presto card to the Wallet app on your device. To do this, open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign, and select Presto card from the list of available cards. If you do not see Presto card, you can search for it in the App Store and download it. Enter your Presto card information, including the card number and expiration date, and wait for the card to be verified. Once verified, you will be able to add funds to your Presto card using Apple Pay and use it to pay for transit fares. To use Apple Pay with your Presto card, simply hold your device near the Presto reader and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. You will receive a notification confirming the transaction and the remaining balance on your Presto card. It is essential to note that you must have a compatible device and the latest version of the Presto app and Wallet app to use Apple Pay with your Presto card. Additionally, ensure that your device is set up with a secure passcode and that you keep your device and account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add Apple Pay to your Presto app and enjoy a convenient and secure way to pay for transit fares.